Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda, hear me roar. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the chat. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. The sun is shining, and I am listening because I was filming a video the other day, and it was a sponsored video where I was trying out this box of chocolates. And I took one bite on a piece of hard chocolate and it broke my tooth. So I had to have my tooth removed this week. We were out of power this week. It's just been an arduous week. So until I get my temporary tooth, this is what you get right now. So I hope you guys don't judge it too much, but it was just one of those things that happens. When you get to a certain age, your teeth are not always your friend. Don't trust a fart and don't trust your teeth. That's the lesson, I guess. But today we are unboxing the Allure beauty box. I'm very excited to see what we've got today. Oh, watching myself talk without my tooth is weird. I'm sure it's weird for you too, but we'll make do. And the Allure box is kind of light this month. It doesn't have the heft that it has in the last couple months. And there's always a pretty lady on the booklet. And it's not shiny paper now, it's matte paper. It's still full color, but it's not as good as it's not as shiny and fancy as it used to be. I guess they're trying to save some money while they're getting ready to increase prices. So now they're just saving money. Maybe it's going to go towards the things that we get in the box. So this is just a little promotion card about things that they're selling on the website. And let's get into what we've got. We've got quite a few things in here. It's just not very heavy. The first thing that we're going to do is the Tarte Quick Stick is waterproof shadow and liner in rose gold luster and black. So it says, while you'll love it, every great cat eye requires two things: precise liner and a shimmery shadow. Oh, me and my list. To highlight your artistry, and you'll find both in this two-sided tool. The thin charcoal black liner is one of the smoothest pencils out there. It's creamy. Its texture glides along your lash line seamlessly, creating a smooth wing. And the metallic golden rosy shadow stick is easy to smudge for a soft finish. All right, so that is a beautiful golden color, like they said. And then a nice, precise black self-sharpening. I'm really enjoying my new way of talking. So that's pretty cool. And let's get the calculator out and add up the value of the bag. And this is a $26 full-size item. So not bad. You get two things in one. And next up is this little box from Belief, and it's the Aqua Bomb Overnight Lip Mask. Ooh, I love a lip mask. While you love it, this hydrating lip treatment is a love at first swipe. It's made with botanical centella azatica, which soothes and hydrates lips like no other. This is not full size, or is it? This is a 0.7. This is a 0.1 ounce. And the full size is 0.7 ounce. So it is very little. But this would be great for travel. And you know, it's $22 for 0.7 ounces, and this is 0.1 ounce. So let's call this $3. It's not very much, but very nice. A nice little sample there. Then we have from Mud Masky vitamin infused eye serum. Oh, this is a full size. This is big for an eye serum. While you love it, the ingredient list on this is under eye serum reads like a multivitamin with vitamin C, A, B, K, D, and F and E to nourish skin. Two of our favorite on the list, E, a workhorse that hydrates and soothes, and brightening C, are both antioxidants that help protect the delicate eye area. So this is great. It is full size, and it is $63. Wow, that's impressive. That's a big chunk of change for that eye cream. So we've got two full-size things so far. Next up is in bubble wrap because it's a little bottle. It's a glass bottle, and they do package everything very nicely. And this is from Miele Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil infused with biotin. This little glass bottle has become a TikTok star. This wonderful cooling scalp and hair treatment with more than 3 million views features rosemary oil, and studies support the botanical can help grow hair. The blend also includes castor oil and coconut to moisturize dry scalp and smooth split ends. And it is $9.99 for 2 ounces. So I'm just going to call it $10. Very nice. It's good for daily use scalp treatment and split ends. Really cool. Then we have from the Dionysus, it's Dionysus, not Dionysus, that's a goddess. This is hand and body goat milk cream and milk and honey. While you love it, one editor stocked a guest bathroom with this hand and body moisturizer. Got rave reviews, and a family member even asked if they could take it home. Nourishing skin loving formula is non-greasy hand cream perfection. Soothing knuckles and soft skin. The subtle and sweet warm scent is a relaxing bonus. And it's $12 for 3.3 ounces. And this is only 1 ounce. So I'm going to call this $2. But it says for dry, thirsty. I love missing my tooth. Dry, thirsty hands and body. All right, very cool. And then we still have more stuff in here. So this is a really giving box. And then we have a tiny sample size from Coats Flawless Complexion SPF 50 Tinted. While you love it, you'll want to carry this turquoise tube in your purse or beach bag. Its silky soft finish is that addictive. The mineral face sunscreen feels more like fancy skincare going on. It has a high SPF of 50, a subtle tint, and its star ingredient, zinc oxide, is a dermatologist's favorite for protecting skin. And it's $27.50 for 2.5 ounces. And this is 0.35 ounces. So I'm going to call this $3 for the sample. But that's very nice, you know, to get to try it before you buy it. And then another tiny sample is Cetaphil Deep Hydration Skin Restoring Water Gel. And this is the sponsor of this month's box. While you love it, the gel moisture to end all gel moisture. So Cetaphil's formula is light enough for muggy spring days, packed with intensely moisturizing ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin. It smooths skin and hydrates the heck out of it. $27.99 for 1.7 ounces. And this is 0.36 ounce. So I'm going to call this $3. Anyway, so for $24 and some change, we got $110 worth of stuff, which is great. And like I said, there's going to be a price increase in the next month or so to make it over $25. I can't remember how much. It's like maybe $25 or $26 or $27, like in that range. And as long as they still keep giving the value with products like the $63 eye cream, I think it's all right. So we got the eye cream, we got a hair serum, we got a hand cream, we got a sunscreen, we got a little lip balm, and we got this double-ended heart quick stick. And that's pretty daggone good. So good job, Allure. I like it. I can't wait to try some of this stuff out. And I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.